Hello everyone, I'm Martha Powell, President and CEO of London Community Foundation.
And I'm Jan Pride, Chair of London Community Foundation's Board of Directors.
As friends and supporters of London Community Foundation, we wanted to take a moment of your time to thank you for all you've done to keep our community strong and vibrant, as well as update you on what's been happening at London Community Foundation over the past several months. I want to start by saying that I hope you and your loved ones have been keeping well and safe during these challenging times. This year has been unprecedented for both the Foundation and our community as a whole. Despite this, London Community Foundation has persevered and mobilized the community around our most pressing needs. As soon as the pandemic hit, we established the London Community Foundation COVID-19 Response Fund in partnership with the Lawson Foundation and the Westminster College Foundation. Through this partnership, we have demonstrated how the community can come together and create change. With this fund, and with the help of the federal government's Emergency Community Support Fund, we've granted almost $2 million to support our community, ensuring urgent needs were met while planning for the future. In addition to our pandemic response, we ramped up our efforts with affordable housing. Earlier this year, we launched a dedicated $20 million affordable housing fund to help address this growing need in our community. With the pandemic exposing issues of poverty, income inequality, mental health, and homelessness, the need for affordable housing is greater than ever before. Our goal is to help create 300 units of affordable housing over the next 10 years to address this growing need in our community. Recently, we launched our Vital Signs report called Be the Change. This report is a roadmap for change in the midst of the pandemic. This report demonstrates how we can work together to provide greater equity, stability, and safety for all vulnerable Londoners and to strengthen our community for good. Lastly, we are excited to announce this year's Community Vitality Grants. This year, 3 organizations will receive grants totaling almost $1 million. While I can't give you the name of the recipients, I want to say a heartfelt congratulations to all the grant recipients. We are so grateful for your work and proud to support these innovative projects that are addressing our community's needs. And now I'm going to turn it over to Jan.
Thank you, Martha. Never in the history of the London Community Foundation have we experienced a time like this. COVID-19 has upended our lives in ways none of us could have imagined a year ago. It continues to impact each and every one of us, and now more than ever, our world is in desperate need of kindness and compassion. The leadership of LCF is committed to building a community that has kindness and compassion as its bedrock. This year has humbled many of us. It required us to be nimble and respond to the challenges and needs in our community while still taking the long view. LCF has demonstrated that in times of disruption, we can respond and be a catalyst for change. Our latest Vital Signs report is a sobering look at some of the urgent issues that are present and emerging. 500,000 people live in London and Middlesex. 72,000 live in poverty. 5,000 Londoners are on waiting list for rent geared to income housing. And 1 in 7 households worry about putting food on their table. It is evident that we are starting to face a second wave of COVID, and we know that the poor in our community suffer a far greater risk. Clearly, there are many folks who are falling behind. COVID has only accelerated the problems and exposed the cracks in our system. It's sobering to consider some of the challenges that our community faces today. But a journey begins with one small step forward. And even though we are well into our journey, we haven't reached our destination yet. Vital Signs is an urgent call to action, a call to be the change. We are very fortunate to have an incredible group of compassionate donors and supporters who are optimistic about what we can do together. Thank you so much. Our community continues to look to LCF to take the lead and mobilize change during these unsettling times. We need your support to continue this momentum. So today, I challenge you to think about how you can be the change. London Community Foundation was specifically founded for times like these. We hope you will consider making a gift to LCF and join our efforts in making this community stronger and more resilient for everyone, forever. Let's build a community of kindness and compassion.